Hello everyone. Today in this video we will learn about subtraction. I have already explained about addition in my previous video. Don't forget to watch that video. Link of that video is given in the description below. So now with that said, let's start the video by learning the concept of subtraction. In math, to subtract means to take away from a group or a number of things. After knowing the definition, let's see some of the terms used in subtraction. Taken away, left, remained, difference, how many more than, how many less than, how many more are needed, what should be added, what should be subtracted. These are some of the terms used in subtraction. Remember students, in the case what should be added, smaller value always comes first, and what should be subtracted, greater value comes first. Whatever may be the case, you have to subtract smaller value by greater value. Here 89 is minuend, 78 is subtrahend, and 11 is difference. Students, minuend means it is the number from which another number is to be subtracted, whereas subtrahend means it is the number to be subtracted from another number, and the difference is the answer. Now, let's see the properties of subtraction with their explanations along with examples. Zero property of subtraction. If we subtract number from itself, difference is 0. The order in which numbers are subtracted is very important. Number 1. Zero property of subtraction. When 0 is subtracted from any number, the difference is always the number itself. For example, 4 minus 0 gives you 4. 51 minus 0 gives you 51. 286 minus 0 gives you 286. 9724 minus 0 gives you 9724 itself. Number 2. If we subtract number from itself, the difference is 0. For example, 5 minus 5 gives you 0. 7 minus 7 also gives you 0. 73 minus 73 gives you 0. 21 minus 21 also gives you 0. 246 minus 246 gives you 0. 132 minus 132 also gives you 0. 5164 minus 5164 gives you 0. 4635 minus 4635 also gives you. Now the last property is the order in which numbers are subtracted is very important. For example, 5 minus 2 is not equals to 2 minus 5. 73 minus 23 is not equals to 23 minus 73. 246 minus 120 is not equals to 120 minus 246. 5164 minus 4635 is not equals to 4635 minus 5164. Now it's turn for the subtraction with borrowings. Here 7 minus 6 gives you 1. 94 minus 78. 8 cannot be subtracted from 4, so it takes borrow from 9 and becomes 14. 14 minus 8 gives you 6. Here 9 has already given 1 to 4, so 8 is remaining. 8 minus 7 gives you 1. Next example, 427 minus 187. 7 minus 7 gives you 0. 2 cannot subtract 8, so 2 takes borrow from 4 and becomes 12. 12 minus 8 gives you 4. 4 has already given 1 to 2, so 3 is remaining. 3 minus 1 gives you 2. Now the last example is 9463 minus 4579. 9 cannot be subtracted by 3, so 3 takes borrow from 6 and becomes 13. 13 minus 9 gives you 4. Here 6 has already given 1 for 3, so 5 is remaining. Again 5 cannot subtract 7, so 5 takes borrow 1 from 4 and it becomes 15. 15 minus 7 gives you 8. Here 4 has already given 1 for 6, so 3 is remaining and 3 cannot subtract 5, so 3 will take 1 borrow from 9 and becomes 13. 13 minus 5 gives you 8. Here 9 has already given 1 for 4, so 8 is remaining. 8 minus 4 gives you 4. Now it's turn for word problems. There are 8,953 people living in a town. If 5,658 of them are male, find the number of females. Here, if we subtract the number of male from the total people living in the town, we will get the number of female. So the total people are 8,953 and the number of males are 5,658. So 3 cannot subtract 8, so 3 will take borrow from 5 and becomes 13. 13 minus 8 gives you 5. And here 5 has already given 1 for 3, so 4 is remaining and 4 cannot subtract 5. So 4 will take borrow from 9 and becomes 14. 14 minus 5 gives you 9. 9 has already given 1 for 5, so 8 is remaining. 8 minus 6 gives you 2. And finally 8 minus 5 gives you 3. So there are 3,295 females living in a town. Next example. A tanker carries 8,952 liters of oil. If 2,654 liters of oil is sold, how many liters of oil is left in a tanker? Here, if we subtract the liter of oil that is sold from the liter of the oil that a tanker is carrying, then we will get the liter of the oil that is remaining in a tanker. So we will subtract 2,654 from 8,952. Here 2 cannot subtract 4, so it will borrow from 5 and becomes 12. 12 minus 4 gives you 8. Here 5 has already given 1 for 2, so 4 is remaining and again 4 cannot subtract 5, so 4 will take borrow from 9 and becomes 14. 14 minus 5 gives you 9. Here 9 has already given 1 for 5, so 8 is remaining. 8 minus 6 gives you 2 and finally 8 minus 2 will give you 6. So 6,298 liters of oil is left in the tanker. I hope this video is very useful for you, and I also hope you are clear about subtraction with and without borrowings. If you like my video, don't forget to press the like button. If you have any queries, you can mention it in the comment section. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe it and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a video, it will directly notify you. Thank you for watching my video. Stay safe, stay strong. Bye-bye.